We're on our third part on our discussion on Shen. Previously, we discussed on the functions of Shen and we stopped at emotions. So today we'll start with anger as part of emotions. Anger affects liver, but liver cannot feel it because it does not house the mind. Only the heart can feel it because it houses the mind and it is responsible for insight. All emotions eventually affect the heart, and it is in this sense that the heart is the emperor of all other organs. Another function of Shen is on our feelings. Feelings depend on mind. It is the mind that recognizes stimuli generated by perceptions, touch, taste, pressure, temperature. Next up on the functions, and the last among the functions of Shen is on our senses. Senses and sense organs also rely on the mind. Each sense is related to a certain organ. That is smell to lung, taste to spleen and heart, hearing to kidney, and sight to liver. All senses receive sensory perception. Eyes and sight are related
Napuputol na po signal mo.
liver, especially liver, blood, and ethereal soul. Although eyes rely on nourishment, wait lang. Eyes and sight are related to liver, especially liver blood and ethereal soul. Although eyes rely on nourishment from liver blood, blood flows through the eyes through blood vessels which are under control of the heart. Blood vessels influence the eyes. Excessive use of the eyes is harmful to blood vessels and the heart. As heart influences eyes, excessive use of eyes may damage heart and therefore the mind. This explains the damaging effect of excessive TV watching on the eyes and the mind in children. Hearing depends on kidney, but heart also has influence on it so far as it brings chi and blood to ears. Some types of tinnitus are due to heart chi being deficient and not reaching the ears. Sense of smell is dependent on heart, mind, and lungs. The 5 odor enters the nose and are stored by lungs and heart. If lungs and heart are diseased, nose cannot smell. Nose pertains to lung, but its function depends on heart. Sense of taste naturally depends on heart and mind, as tongue is offshoot of the heart. Sense of touch is also dependent on heart and mind, as this is responsible for cognition and organization of external stimuli sensations. All sensations of sight, hearing, smell, if heart is strong and mind is healthy, person can think clearly, memory is good, consciousness and insight are sharp, cognition is clear, sleep is sound, intelligence is bright, actions show wisdom, and ideas flow easily. If heart is affected and mind is weak or disturbed, person is unable to think clearly, Memory is poor, consciousness is clouded, insight is poor, sleep is restless, intelligence is lacking, actions are unwise, and ideas are muddled. The way that all emotions affect heart also explains why heart fire, indicated by a red tip of the tongue, is so commonly seen even in emotional problems related to other organs.